In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to summarize a YouTube video in seconds using AI for free. So if we look at this video right here that Mr. Beast just uploaded, he uploaded about how he got over 100 million views per video, and it's 8 minutes long. But guess what? I don't have 8 minutes to watch this video, so what am I going to do? I'm going to summarize it with AI. Now, most people make the mistake of clicking on the video and then coming over here and trying to ask ChatGPT to do this. For example, give me a summary of this video. And then they put the link, and what they're going to notice is that that doesn't work. And then what other people do is they take the title and they come over here and say, what about summarize this title? Then you're going to click this, and again, it isn't going to work. This is just going to give you some random summary that has nothing to do with the actual video. Like, he doesn't mention collaboration or networking in that video or anything like that. So here's what you actually need to do. What we're going to do is we're going to open up a new window. We're going to clear this chat. We're going to come over here and we're going to take this prompt that I have put right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the title, and you'll see, please summarize this YouTube video like an expert. We're going to put this title is, you want to put the title in there, and then you're going to come over to the YouTube video. You're going to click right here, scroll down, show transcript. We're going to move me out of the way. And then what we're going to do is come over here, get rid of toggle timestamps. We're going to come down here. We're going to get all of this. This gives us the transcript of the video. We paste the transcript here, and now boom, we put this in the ChatGPT, and instantly this is going to show us exactly what this video is about. It says, here's a breakdown of the key features and tools discussed. So this video is promoting Mr. Beast's tool, and then he has a bunch of other different things, and it basically goes through everything that you can learn. In addition to that, what we can now do is we could go through here and actually prompt ChatGPT with different things about the video because it has so many things here. For example, are all of these features free? And then that was mentioned in the transcript. So now we're able to ask ChatGPT anything that we want to know about the video that we didn't actually learn from the summary that they have here. And if you want to get smarter with AI, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. I upload tutorials every single day about how you could be more productive, make more money, and save more time with AI so you don't waste your life away behind a computer. In addition to that, if you want to learn about 7 other AI tools that you need to make sure that you're using right now that have nothing to do with ChatGPT, well then click on this video right here.